Hi, I'm Dr. Ryan Crane. With implants and restorative dentistry, I find people have three main concerns. Will it hurt? How long will it take? And how much will it cost? Implants and restorative dental procedures historically start with the gooey process of taking impressions. From there, we send those impressions to a lab to create a surgical guide. It would usually take at least 3 weeks before your guide returned and we could start treatment. It delayed getting you the smile you wanted, it was uncomfortable, time-consuming, and costly. But that's all changed. State-of-the-art 3D printing technology now allows me to create accurate 3D models, surgical guides, and other dental appliances layer by layer right here in the office. I was very excited to learn this technology. I can now diagnose, scan, treatment plan, and create a surgical guide and actually begin your treatment on the same day, saving you time and extra office visits. This technology is one way that sets us apart from other dental practices. More importantly for you, it reduces the number of visits you'll make to the office, it reduces the cost, improves your experience with the treatment, and gets you the smile you want faster. This is an awesome technology we're able to use to get you back to your natural self.